Once upon a time, there were three inseparable friends, the blind man, the bald man, and the lip licker. Wherever they went, they were always together. Whatever they did it together too.
Friends, everyone laughs at us. The blind man rubs his eyes, the bald man scratches his head, and the lip licker licks his lips. Let's make a vow. From this day on, I won't scratch my head. The blind man won't rub his eyes, and the lip licker won't lick his lips.
And so they made a vow to give up their habits. But soon it got hot. The bald man's head started to itch, the blind man's eyes started to itch, and the lip licker's lips started to itch too.
I can't stand it anymore. Oh, my eyes are burning!
What should I do? My father was a hunter. When he saw his prey, he would close one eye, draw his bow, and never missed. Oh, that's a real skill. And my father was a scribe. He worked at the court. He would tie his turban like this, just like this. And my father was a shepherd. When the sheep scattered, he would shout, "Hush, hush," whistle, and gather them back together. A person shouldn't be afraid. There's no difficulty that can't be made easier. That's right. We broke our vow, but we made life easier.
And so, the three friends broke their promise, but found a cheerful way to ease their troubles.